the duck say? Quack, quack. Oh, look at that pretty little one. He's gorgeous. Is it an mallard?
Can I see? Mommy does too. Aw, he's gorgeous. He's so cute.
He's looking for food. See? Sticking his head down there? He's looking for little baby
You
fish.
guys see the pretty parrots?
Yeah, we looked at them. We talked to them. Right, Sam?
Yep.
What did we say to them?
Caw, 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 caw. Dad, look, another
Did
dog.
Polly want a cracker?
Polly want a cracker? Caw, 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 caw.
Look how pointy their beaks are.
Oh, they're sharp. They can break open some nuts, huh?
Caw, caw, caw.